Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Netball is where we begin. Jamaica's Sunshine Girls were leading Sri Lanka 79-19 in the fourth quarter. This in their opening Group C match at the Netball World Cup in Cape Town, South Africa. The Jamaicans have so far had quarterly scores of 26-5, 26-6, and they led 52-11 at halftime. In other results so far on the day, Caribbean neighbours Trinidad and Tobago were beaten 27-72 by New Zealand. Australia hammered Zimbabwe 86-30. Uganda beat Singapore 79-37. And Tonga outscored Fiji 56-51. The Sunshine Girls are hunting a first ever World Cup title after the previous best third place finishes in 1991, 2003 and 2007. Some football now. CONCACAF team Haiti are on the brink of elimination from the FIFA Women's World Cup after losing 1-0 to China on Friday in Australia. Wang Zhuang scored the all-important goal for the Chinese in the 74th minute. The Chinese played most of the game with 10 players after Zhang Rui was red-carded in the 29th minute. Haiti had also narrowly lost to England's women 1-0 in their opening match. Meanwhile, England's women clipped Denmark's women in the other Group D match earlier this morning to move closer to qualifying for the quarterfinal round of the competition. Lauren James scoring in the 6th minute to give England the perfect start in that match. Now, Prime Minister of Barbados, Mottley, is contending that the West Indies men's and women's cricket teams should be paid equally. This issue has been a long-standing concern, with former star player Deandra Dottin expressing her frustration back in 2016 regarding the pay disparity between elite male and female cricketers. Back then, Cricket West Indies women's retainer contracts ranged between US $1,500 and $3,000 a month, while their male counterparts earned anywhere between US $100,000 and $150,000 a year. And while delivering the keynote address at the 22nd Frank Warren Memorial Lecture at the UWI-Kville campus on Tuesday, Prime Minister Mottley said that there should be equal pay for equal work.
As some are wont to tell me, well, you know, there's a lot more money in the men's game. And the truth is that the West Indies has already been relegated to 2 tests and 2 or 3 one-days. So that the money has already started to diminish. But the men are still paid here, and the women are paid 3 to 5 times less. Indeed, the women are paid less. Or let me put it another way. The men are paid more for a regional game than the women get for a non-regional game.
The Frank Warren Memorial Lecture is an annual event which is named in honor of Barbadian-born Frank Warren, the first black West Indies captain who played regionally for both Jamaica and Barbados. He was also a Jamaican senator. And that's where we pull up stumps for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.